Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own day of the week graphic that you can print and use with the Phomemo. I've had the months and the days of the weeks created for me using hand lettering, and I've used that file to create stickers for my planner using the Phomemo. And I used Adobe Illustrator to make a graphic file that I could use with my Phomemo. But you can also use any font and make your own day of the week graphic file using something as simple as Google Docs. So that's where we're going to start. I've opened up a new document. Hopefully you're familiar with Google Docs and how to access it through Google Drive. So all you would need to do is open a new blank document. Give it a title if you want to title it. Let's title this Phomemo Day of the Week. Okay? So I'm just going to go in and type in my days. Oops. Okay? So then I'm going to choose the font style that I want. And I like this caveat. I think that's how it's pronounced. And then I'm going to just center it just because. Then I'm going to make it as big as I can, but keep it on one page. The font sizes are in points, and 72 points equals an inch. So I went up to 72. That will give me an inch. And you can also resize this in the app that comes with Phomemo. So don't get hung up too much on sizing. But I think I want to leave it at 72 inch, but it's kicking the Sunday over to the next page. So to alleviate that, I'm going to reduce the margin size. So to reduce the margin size, I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and then just go over here to the margins and change it to 0.25. I think most printers can handle that, so. And that gives me plenty of room and kicks my Sunday back up to one page. So now we're finished with that. And this has a few more steps than I actually took using Adobe Illustrator, but if you don't have that graphic editing software, then this is kind of what you have to do. So I'm going to go to File, Download, and I'm going to download this as a PDF. And then I'm just going to save it to my computer. And make sure you save somewhere that you know where you are. So I already have a folder set up for Phomemo stuff. So this is Phomemo Memo Day of the Week. And I'm just going to save it there. So then I'm going to go open a new tab or a new window, browser window. And I'm going to go to a website called smallpdf.com. And I'm going to go to the option to convert a PDF to a JPEG, which is this yellow looking color. So I'm just going to click on that. So I'm going to choose the file that I want to convert, and I'm going back to my Phomemo folder. And here it is, day of the week. And then I'm uploading it there. And I'm going to tell it I don't want to extract single images, but you can't do that with the free version anyway. I want to convert the entire page. So I'm going to choose that option. It's processing. Now it gives it to me as a zip for the pro version of this website, but we can also come right here and download the JPEG. So I'm just downloading the JPEG. I want to give it that same name that I had. So Phomemo DOTW and save. So I'm going to go to my drive and upload files, and I'm going to go upload that JPEG that I just made, which is here. So now this is in my Google Drive. The JPEG is in my Google Drive. I have Google Drive on my phone, so now I can access this JPEG from my phone and pull it into Phomemo. So let's go to the phone. Okay, so I'm on my phone now. You need to access your phone and go to your Google Drive. Mine are grouped in this app. So I'm going to open up Google Drive. I'm going to make sure it's popping up right here already. So I don't even have to look for it. This is the one I want, the one that says it's a JPEG. So I'm going to open that up. Make sure it looks the way I need it to look. Go to the three dots and do download. Yes, I'm allowing you to access Google. Okay. So now, let me turn my Phomemo on. Make sure that my Bluetooth is on. I don't keep Bluetooth on because it runs down the battery, especially when I'm not using it, so I have to turn it on to connect to the Phomemo. So then I'm going to open the JPEG up in my gallery, and I'm going to trim it down a little bit. Phomemo doesn't like big files, so we're going to crop it down just a little bit. You can use your phone to edit it. So I'm just going to take off the excess margin, if it'll let me. Oh, there we go. So just crop off the extra white space because we don't need it. And that will give us a smaller file. Try to center as much as possible. Then I'm going to do save. Then I'm going to go to my Phomemo app, open it up. Make sure it's connected. It says disconnected, so let's go ahead and connect. Then I'm going to do print images, and it should pop up as an option in my photos. Then I can move it around, adjust, resize as I see fit. I'm just going to shrink it a tiny bit, and then I'm going to do print. I'm going to do thick and done. So there you go. You got your days of the week. You just take your scissors, cut them apart, and use them in your planner. You can do this with any words. You could do the months. You could even do numbers. I've done it with numbers. However you want to do it. It's a few steps involved, but once you create the actual graphic file, you can have it forever. You don't have to go through those steps again, and you can reprint as you need. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content and digital downloads. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. People don't know how to write in cursive anymore. They don't know how to drive a standard shift. And it was some other stuff that they were discussing about what people don't know how to do. So I'm getting a couple bags of mixed vegetables, this Asian medley vegetables, because they're on sale, and they do have the baby corn in there, and she specifically asked for some baby corn. So weird. I don't know how people do this. I have nothing to talk about. Usually when I'm in the car by myself, I don't play the radio. Sometimes I'm listening to YouTube. To do all the things. Since Thursday was a holiday, our trash schedule got changed. At least I'm not the only one with our recycle bin still out. So I came over to look at the bags. I really like this one.
I don't know why it's more than these. This is an updated version of what I have. Excuse me. So, but I have the black version. But that one is only $29.99. This one's $34.99. But it's made out of like a felt material and it's faux leather flap. And this is all this satiny material that, and the reason why I don't like it is it slips off of my shoulder constantly. But this one, I tried it on. It doesn't seem like it slips. I wish they had more backpack options.